there's a lot of companies built around open source that try to say like open source kind of freemium, plus I'll put a little thing on top of it and make that, kind of, and then there's this competition in the business about like what becomes a premium feature and what's a freemium feature. And so when we set about to create this, I really feel like Medern, the product, is a related, but not, kind of built on the core refactoring engine. So they're two really separate products. You've got the refactoring engine, and then it's distribution, which is just a totally separate thing. And that is a very intentional way of building the business so that we don't ever have any conflict, between our incentives and the incentives of the open source project. I think that's worth really thinking through upfront, because it can cause problems later on. You saw this with MongoDB, you saw this with, I think with Elastic as well, and others that start with an open source, build an open core product around it, then later on wind up having to switch licensing and so forth to try to